Welcome back to Celebrities in History. Today, we're delving into 20 mind-blowing, weird, and wonderful celebrity events that happened on October 8th throughout history. From iconic birthdays to unforgettable moments, this date is packed with surprises that will leave you amazed. So sit back, relax, and get ready to explore the star-studded happenings of October 8. Number 20. Happy birthday to Bruno Mars. Born on October 8, 1985. Turning 38 today, the Uptown Funk singer still has us dancing like nobody's watching. Number 19. On October 8, 1970, actor Matt Damon was born. Turning 53 today, he's still the ultimate Jason Bourne. Age is just a number for this action star. Number 18. Sigourney Weaver celebrates her 74th birthday today. Born on October 8, 1949, the alien queen proves that battling extraterrestrials keeps you young. Number 17. Comedic legend Chevy Chase was born on October 8, 1943. Turning 80 today, he's still making us laugh. National Lampoon style. Number 16. Civil rights activist Reverend Jesse Jackson was born on October 8, 1941. Turning 82 today, he's been preaching equality and justice for decades. Number 15. Happy 26th birthday to Bella Thorne. Born on October 8, 1997, she's making waves in acting, music, and social media. A triple threat indeed. Number 14. On October 8, 1956, Don Larson of the New York Yankees pitched the only perfect game in World Series history, a pitch-perfect performance. Number 13. On October 8, 1992, comedian Red Fox passed away at age 68. The Sanford and Son star left us laughing all the way to the junkyard. Number 12. Paul Hogan, the original Crocodile Dundee, was born on October 8, 1939. Turning 84 today, he still knows that's not a knife. Number 11. On October 8, 1993, the movie Demolition Man, starring Sylvester Stallone and Wesley Snipes, was released. A futuristic flick that blew our minds. 3 seashells, anyone? Number 10. On October 8, 2001, the TV series 24 premiered, introducing us to Kiefer Sutherland's Jack Bauer. The clock started ticking, and we were hooked. Number 9. On October 8, 1971, John Lennon's iconic song, Imagine, was released in the UK. He gave peace a chance, and we got an anthem for the ages. Number 8. Happy birthday to Nick Cannon, born on October 8, 1980. Turning 43 today, the entertainer extraordinaire keeps us laughing and guessing, especially with his growing family. Number 7. On October 8, 1998, the sitcom The King of Queens premiered, bringing us laughs with Kevin James's delivery antics. Number 6. On October 8, 2014, actress Elizabeth Pena passed away at age 55. Known for La Bamba and Modern Family, her talent is deeply missed. Number 5. On October 8, 2004, the movie Friday Night Lights was released, starring Billy Bob Thornton. Clear eyes, full hearts, can't lose. Number 4. On October 8, 2004, Martha Stewart was released from prison after serving 5 months for insider trading. From orange jumpsuits back to homemaking. Number 3. Sharon Osbourne was born on October 8, 1952. Turning 71 today, she's the matriarch of rock and roll and reality TV royalty. Number 2. On October 8, 1985, Little Richard, the architect of rock and roll, was inducted into the Georgia Music Hall of Fame. He was 52 then and rocked until his passing at 87. Number 1. On October 8, 1990, the iconic sitcom, The Fresh Prince of Bel-Air, aired its first episode featuring the memorable cabinet meeting scene. Will Smith moved in, and our lives got turned upside down. Thanks for joining us on this star-studded journey through October 8th's most astonishing celebrity events. If you enjoyed this trip down memory lane, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on celebrities in history.